Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you a couple of things in Excel. Now, it doesn't really matter what version you're using. This is even a free version on this computer and you can do all sorts of things with it. So basically the formulas apply for every, version you have. Now what I've got here is a article tally sheet and I'm going to show you how to add things, subtract, divide, and multiply. Okay, so I've got my sheet set out, and all I did was click on the box, and type in the titles for starters. So I went through and went like this. Now, as you can see here, this is just a quick tip. This does not fit in when it says word total. So what I'm going to do is go up in between these two columns here and just double click, and it automatically resizes the column for me. All right, so that's one tip. The next thing is to get the lines around the boxes. All I did was select all of it, whichever I wanted. And up the top here, I've just put bottom border or full borders or anything you want. Okay, so I've chosen all borders and it's on there. Now, if I want to take the borders away, I would select it all again. You can select it all like that if you want to, or you can select just this box by holding your left mouse key down and dragging across the selection. Now, if I want to remove the borders, all I would do is go to no border here. Okay. Anyway, so let's get to the addition. So firstly, I've got a couple of things going on here. I've got, just say, 250 words in an article at 1 cent each equals $2.50. Now, this is a pretty simple sum that we could probably add up ourselves. Then I've got one screenshot at 25 cents a screenshot equals 25 cents. So if I change this to two screenshots and press enter, it will charge 50 cents. Okay, now if the article is uploaded, I pay $1, okay, per upload to the website. So the total of all of these things is just here. Now, how did I get this total for starters? Because I can't just go along here and say auto sum because I don't want these things included. So this is what I did exactly. Okay, so what I wanted was the word total, okay, the shot total and the upload total all added up in this here. So I clicked on it. So let's just take this away, the formula for starters. I'm going to do it. Now, I clicked on the box, okay, and I put equals in the box, okay? Simple equals. Now, I go to the total and click on it, the word total, and look what happens. It puts E2 in there. Now I'm going to just press plus. Oop, not equals. I want to press plus. Okay. Now what else do I want to add to it? I want to add the total of the shot cost. So I'm going to click on it. And look, it's done I2. So there it is, I2. Now I'm going to press plus. And I want to add the total of this column. Okay. There we go. Now that's it for the formula. I'm going to press enter. Now there's my total. Okay, now to get that going all the way down there, okay, I've got the box around the $4 where I've got the actual formula that I've created, which is here. Okay, now, right, I'm just going to start again. Right, I'm going to select the box, and there's this little corner, this little cross comes up, okay? Now, what you got to do is put your left mouse button on that when that cross comes up and pull it down. Pull it down to just how far you want to go. Now, what this has done is created automatically, the formula in each of these boxes, but it's also changed the numbers. So just say I've got this one here. Now it's not going to be the same as this because this wants to add up E2, okay, E2 and I2 and all that. This one wants to add up this, which is E6, I6, K6. Okay, so it's doing it for me, okay? All right, so I've showed you how to add some boxes up, and also we've spread the actual formula all the way down. Okay, now I've also got this one here where I've times something. So I've gone 250, which is just in numbers, and I'll show you. So just say I select that box and right click on it, and we're going to go format cells. Now I've got it as general, or you can have it as a number, and you can take away the decimal points. Okay, so we just got a number. Press OK. Right, you can either have general or a number. Now this one here is money. Okay, so what I can do is either just go up here and turn it into money. Okay, so I can do it for this one. Let's do this one. Turn it into money. Right, it's turned into $250, which is well overboard. So I'm just going to press undo, which is Control and Z on the keyboard. Okay, so I've done that. So as you can see, this is a number, this is money. So what I want to do is times the words by the cost of the word. And here it is here. Okay, so it equals $2.50 because it's 1 cent per word. Now, how did I do that? Very easy. Again, okay, I'm going to delete the formula and I'm going to show you. I just put the equal sign in there. Okay, then I clicked on this one and I put the times sign in there. Okay, and then I clicked on the next box. That's it. And then I pressed enter and it came up with the answer. And the same thing I do again is I drag the corner of that box down here and it makes the formula for me. See, if you look up in this box here, it makes the formula. Okay, so now we've done addition and we've done times. Okay, so what do we got here? Yep, we've done that one. No, wait. We've done that one and we've done that one. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here. Now, just say I've got some articles here, so I'm just going to fill this in. So we've got 140 words, 100, one something, right? Hope I'm not going over my budget here, right? I don't usually have 100 word articles, let me tell you that, but let's put it in. Okay, so I filled in the articles, let's say, right, so we've got that. And some of them have got screenshots. Let's just put some in, right? Okay. And let's just say that all of them were uploaded. So I'm going to drag that number 1 down there. Sorry to be so quick. Okay, so I've got the total here, but I want to know what the total is. Okay, so we've got that. I'm going to press on this box here because I've got total written there. Now I'm just going to go up to auto sum. Okay, this funny symbol here. Press on it. Now just remember, the first thing I did was press on the box where I want the total to go. The next thing, it's automatically selected this column for me. Thanks very much. Okay, so to accept the formula, press enter on your keyboard. Okay, it's done. Now here's the total. Okay, and it's in dollars, as you can see. Now, I had a budget of $200. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is select this and change it. go up to the dollar sign and change it to dollars. Okay? Now I want to know how much of my budget, the percentage of the budget, what percentage have I used? Okay, so I want to find out the percentage that I've used. So what I'm going to do this time is use division, but turn it into a percentage. So I'm going to click on the box. Wait a minute, it's got 0 in there, so I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to just click on this box here and we're going to put a formula in. So we're going to do equals, and we're going to do this one because we've used this much, divided by how much we had, and enter. Right, now the thing is, I am going to change it to a percentage. Press it up the top here. Now what I've done is, it is a division, which is L19 divided by L20. But this tells me how much of the budget I've used. So you can see that for yourself. Just say that's $70. So 3 sevens are 21. It's pretty much, 33, 35%. Okay? So that's 35% of my budget gone. Okay. So we can also work out how much budget is left by using the minus. Okay? So just say we go here again and we press equals, and we want 200, right, minus this one, and press enter. So this is how much budget I've got left. Okay? So these are the simple things that you can do. So I actually showed you percentage as well. So basically, division, everything is very, very simple. So just say you wanted to do a column. So this column divided by this column and then times this column. You can just do it. Just use these symbols and press on the columns. All right. Hopefully that shows you a bit of the basic maths in Excel and how to build up some simple formulas. Okay, thanks for watching.